Craving the perfect homemade popsicle or creamy frozen treat? Whether you're looking to beat the summer heat or just enjoy a DIY dessert with a personal touch, having the right ice cream mold can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving into the top 3 best ice cream molds that combine design, convenience, and quality to help you create delicious frozen delights at home with ease. From fun shapes to easy-release materials, these molds will take your homemade ice cream game to the next level. In the third, the Zoku Classic Pop Molds are a well-designed and easy-to-use solution for making 6 perfectly shaped ice pops at home, each holding about 3.1 fluid ounces. The kit includes a sturdy base, 6 removable plastic molds, and 6 reusable sticks with integrated drip guards, allowing for clean and mess-free enjoyment. The popsicle molds are made of BPA-free plastic and are compact enough to fit inside most freezers, including smaller compartments. Customers appreciate the classic popsicle shape and the user-friendly process. Once frozen, simply rinse the mold under warm water for 30 to 60 seconds and pull the stick to release the frozen treat with minimal effort. The molds are praised for their ease of cleaning, assembling, and disassembling, and are noted to fit conveniently in silverware compartments for storage. They also enable creative combinations of fruit, juice, and chocolate, offering endless possibilities for personalized frozen desserts. However, some users mention that it can take a bit of practice to remove the popsicles cleanly without breaking them, especially if they are not sufficiently frozen or if the water used to release them isn't warm enough. Another minor drawback is that the plastic build, while durable, may not have the premium feel of silicone molds and could be less flexible. In conclusion, the Zoku Classic Pop Molds offer a timeless, fun, and family-friendly way to make homemade ice pops with minimal hassle, and despite a few minor usability quirks, they remain a popular and reliable choice for creative summer treats. Secondly, the Lakeway set of 4 large stackable popsicle molds stands out with its high-quality platinum silicone construction, offering a flexible and easy-to-fill design that makes homemade frozen treats both fun and hassle-free. Each mold comes with its own stick and lid, ensuring your creations are protected from unwanted odors and flavors in the freezer, while remaining easy to unmold thanks to the soft silicone. The multicolor design adds a playful touch, and the dishwasher-safe material means cleanup is a breeze. Users appreciate the compact and stackable format that saves space in the freezer, as well as the inclusion of easy recipes, including lactose and gluten-free options. The ability to create healthier, dye-free, and preservative-free popsicles at home is a big advantage for families looking to avoid processed snacks. Reviews consistently praise how easily the pops come out of the molds and how sturdy they feel in hand, with multiple customers noting they work well with everything from juice to pudding and smoothie bases. However, one drawback that surfaces in user feedback is the size of the molds. While many are happy with the portion size, others mention they're slightly smaller than expected, which could be a minor letdown for those seeking larger frozen treats. In conclusion, the Lakeway popsicle molds are an excellent choice for anyone wanting a reusable, space-saving, and user-friendly way to make refreshing frozen snacks at home, combining durability, safety, and convenience in one colorful package. And to finish, first of all, the Meow Wolf homemade popsicle molds stand out with their dual-purpose design, allowing the use of both reusable and disposable sticks, and offering a complete set that includes 50 sticks, 50 bags, 10 reusable sticks, a funnel, a brush, and even a recipe booklet to get started right away. This 10-cavity silicone mold is made from BPA-free high-quality silicone, providing peace of mind for families concerned with health and safety. The flexibility of the silicone makes it easier to remove the ice pops without needing to soak the mold in warm water, and each cavity holds 3 fluid ounces of liquid, creating ice pops that are similar in size to those found in stores. Users appreciate how easy the mold is to fill with juices, yogurt, puree, or cream. And the included bags make batch production fast and simple for large families or party prep. Many reviews highlight its ease of use and cleaning thanks to the included brush, and its compact 9x 5.7x 4-inch dimensions make storage convenient. However, some users note that although the silicone is flexible, it can sometimes be too soft, making the mold slightly unstable when moving it filled to the freezer. Others also report occasional difficulty removing pops if the mold is overfilled or not frozen completely. Despite this, the overall feedback is very positive, with customers praising the product's thoughtful design, durability, and the inclusion of extra accessories. In conclusion, the Meow Wolf mold is a fantastic all-in-one solution for homemade frozen treats, offering a great balance of quality, versatility, and value. Ideal for families, kids, or anyone wanting to create healthier alternatives to store-bought popsicles. In summary, whether you're preparing fruity ice pops for kids, creamy yogurt treats, or party-ready batches, these molds offer convenience, safety, and versatility. From durable silicone construction to smart accessories like reusable sticks and storage bags, each product brings something special. Discover which molds suits your needs best and enjoy the summer with homemade frozen delights. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.